Welcome back, aliens. My name is Naveen Reddy, and let's continue with the series on Python. Now, in this video, we'll talk about binary formats. In fact, not just binary, we'll talk about different number systems. Normally, when you work in the programming world, we work with binary formats and we work with decimal system. So in the programming world, we use a binary system and a decimal system. But apart from this, we have two more systems, which is octal and hexadecimal. Now, when do we use all this stuff? So in the networking field, we use MAC address, right, which is normally defined in hexadecimal format. Same goes for IPv6, which is defined in hexadecimal format. In your computer, we use binary format. In normal system, we use decimal system. So let's understand how do we convert these values from one system to other system. Now, of course, you can do it on paper, and you can do it in a software, or we use with the help of codes. Now, before understanding how do you convert this using Python, let's try it on paper first. We can do it. So if I open my IDLE, you can convert a number from decimal to binary format. Example, if I want to convert a number, let's say 25. So we have this number 25. I want to convert this into a binary format. Now, I don't know how many of you know how to convert a number into binary format. So people who are very beginner to the programming world, they might not be knowing it. And if you have experience, that's great. Now, if you don't know how binary format works, I would recommend you to go and watch some videos on binary format, or we'll try to do some in this video. Let's say I want to convert this. We can use a function called as bin. So using bin function, we can convert a number from decimal system to binary system. Now, when you say decimal system, it means the base of the system is 10. And in binary system, the base is 2. Which means in decimal system, we can go from 0 to 9. So we have 10 digits. In binary system, we can go from 0 to 1, 2 digits. And that's why we say it's bits, binary digits, right? So we have binary format there. In fact, we have octal system where we have 8 digits. So it starts with 0 and it ends at 7. On the other hand, we have hexadecimal system where we have 16 as a base. Now it starts with 0, it goes till 9, and after 9 it goes from A to F. So in total we have 16. So now let's come back from decimal to binary. We'll click on enter. You can see this is your binary format. It's so simple. You just need to use a bin function, and in bracket you have to pass 25. But hold on, how do you convert this number? And even if you get this output, how do you know this is the correct output? So let me just take some time to explain you how to convert a number from a decimal system to a binary system. So for that, let me open my Paint. So let's try to understand how it works. So let's say we have a number 25. So we'll go for a number 25 here. And if I want to find a binary format of this 25, what do we do is you have to divide this number by 2. So whatever system you have, so example, if you want to convert from decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal system, you have to divide this number by that system. So example here, I want to find binary format. So I will divide this by 2. Now everyone knows, right? So it is 2 into 12, you will get 24. So the remainder is 1. So when you say 2 into 12, we got 24, and the remainder is 1. You have to continue this. So you have to say 2, you will get 6. So 2 into 6, you will get 12. So the remainder is 0. Then we have 2 into 3. The remainder is 0 again. And then we got 2 into 1, which is remainder is 1 in this case, because 2 into 1 is 2, and then 3 minus 2 is 1. Now this is your numbers, So this is your binary format. So this is how you convert from decimal to binary format. But how do we read this? So we have to read this in a reverse order. So you have to start from this end and you have to go to top. So which is, in this case, this is 1. Then we have this is 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is a binary format of 25. So this is how you convert a number from decimal system to binary format. It's so simple. Let me go back to the IDLE here. And here what I will do is, so this, you can see the number here. We got 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, the same number. But what is before that? You can see we got 0 and B. That's how you represent a binary format. So if you want to say there's a number which is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, and you might be thinking, if you got this number, this may be decimal, right? So to specify that, hey, this is not a decimal number, we will use 0B. Okay, that's very important. In fact, you can convert a number from binary system to decimal system. It's very easy. Just say 0B. I will use a number which is 0101 in this case, which is actually a number 5, right? So I will say enter. You can see we got 5. So before the number, or before the binary format, if you put 0B, that means the number is binary format, and it will give you the output in decimal format. We can do the same thing for octal, right? So example, let's go with the same number. I will say, oh, which function we have to use? You can guess, right? So for binary, we have bin. For octal, it should be oct, right? And then we'll give a number which is 25. I will say enter. Now this is octal format. So the octal conversion of 25 is 31. But what is before that? It's 0O. So O is octal, right? So in the above case, we have B, that's for binary. The same thing can be done with hexadecimal. So I will say hex, and I want to find 25, so I will say enter. You can say it is 0x19. And that's very important, which is X here. So X is for hexadecimal number, right? In fact, I will just try to find the hex of 10. So X of 10 is A, right? So if I say enter, you can see we got 0xa. You can do the same thing in reverse order. You can say 0x. Maybe I want to find maybe F. So in this case, F is 15. So if I say enter, you got 15. In fact, in the subsequent videos which we are going to see, we will be working with different operators like bitwise operator. And this video is very important for the bitwise operators. Make sure you know how to convert a decimal number into binary format. And for that, let me give you some assignments. So what you can do is try to convert not on the Python command prompt, okay? You have to do it by yourself. So try to find the binary format of, let's say, 31. Then try to, so this is your homework, okay? So try to find out binary format of 21, then 52, then 65. So these are some numbers you can try it out. And then you can also do reverse, okay? So let's say if I give you binary format, I have a number which is 0b, and let's say this is the number. I don't know what's the decimal format of this. You have to find this as well. So in this case, it is 410, but how can we know that? So in that case, you can do this in reverse order as well. So the number was 11001110. So how do you convert this number into decimal system? So first let's try with this number, and then you can try with this number by yourself. Now whenever you want to convert a number from binary to decimal, it's very simple. Start from the last number. So start from the last number and use 2 raised to 0. Second last number, 2 raised to 1. So we have to go for 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, and 2 raised to 4. Right now this number belongs to one particular number here. So for this one we have 2 raised to 4. For this one we have 2 raised to 3. Right now ignore all the zeros here because we don't need them. Focus only on ones. So what you will do is first you will find 2 raised to 0 is what? 2 raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2. 2 raised to 2 is 4. Okay, first of all we don't need these two numbers, right? Because those are zeros anyway. Then 2 raised to 3 is 8. 2 raised to 4 is 16, and then once you got this number, you just need to add them. So you can say 16 plus 8, which is 24. 24 plus 1, we got 25. So first you have to use this format, and then you have to add all the values, you will get the decimal format. The same thing can be done with this. You try it out on your machine and let me know if you have done that. So that's it everyone. That's how you can work with different number system in Python. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section. So that's it everyone. Bye-bye.